Once you get your iPad, you may notice that when you're typing, you get that really annoying clicking sound after a while. This is going to drive you crazy, and it might drive those around you crazy as well. What you need to do is go into your settings. We need to find sounds, and scroll down to the bottom, and turn keyboard clicks off. After that, you can type in peace. Now, granted, fingers on glass may still annoy some people, but for the most part, you'll be a much more silent and stealthy typer. And that's all there is to silencing your iPad keyboard. Thanks for watching. You can check out a link in the description to 101 iPad tips and tricks, and head over to GottaBeMobile.com for everything you need to know about your iPad.